335, shots fired, I'm hit. 334's hit. Help! Help, I've been shot! I've been shot, help!
bishii Febraayo 2024 ayaa gaarigan aad u jeedaan ee booliska ah waxa uu arkay gaari hortiisa socda marba dhinac u leexanayo. Yacni marna midig marna bidix oo si toos ah sayidkiisa u socon. Inta uu istaajiyay ayuu la hadlay darawalka waa uuna wareystay. Boolisku waxa uu sheegay in uu jabiyay sharciga saxda ah ee wadada loogu socdo.
Sorry, I'm all right. Can we pull up into this driveway right here? All right, I'll see you up there. Hold on just a second, I'll talk to you. $335. We're pulling into 4959. All right, my friend. Now that we're out of the way there.
I'm sorry.
That's all right. My name's Shelby. I work for the County Sheriff's Office. I stopped you not because you were all over the road.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't notice it.
Okay.
I just put my hair up.
Putting your hair up?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you had anything to drink or anything?
Oh, hell no.
Okay.
No.
No
I'm
drugs,
really
nothing
just
like
leaving. No, I'm just leaving Suburban.
Okay.
Just got back from Gatlinburg Pittman.
Cool.
Just got a phone with my son. I said, son, you should have came home because he hurt his knee back the GP game. And I literally just got the phone with him.
Okay. Did you go to the game?
Yeah.
Okay.
We literally just got done.
Okay.
They're still there. I literally can show you. I just got the phone with my son.
I believe you.
And,
Where you headed to tonight?
I'm on my way home.
Where you live at?
Alcoa.
Alcoa?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Go for it. You care to see your driver's license, registration, proof, insurance, please? All right, thank you. All right, thank
I'm
you.
sorry
friend.
about that. I didn't think I was swerving.
Yeah, well, you went across the line just a little bit, and I thought, well, you know, maybe.
I would just put my hair up. I'm sorry, I got hot. I just put my hair up.
I got you. Yeah, you.
Gabadha booliska ah inta ay wareysanaysa darawalka ayay dareentay xashiish oo kasoo urayo gaariga.
Hey, did you figure that paperwork out, brother?
Yeah, she said it's paid. She's gonna tell him
You got the card there?
I got a bunch of them,
A
but
bunch of them?
they're all formers.
Okay, I got you.
You said, go ahead, Mama. She's right here.
Hey, step out of the car, or I can pull you out of the car.
You can step out the car.
No, sir.
You will get out of the car.
How y'all treat me? It's
you out of the car.
racism, man.
That racism. I don't care what color you are, dude. She gave you a lawful command.
I don't smoke marijuana. She said
She asked you. She asked you to get out of the car.
Get out of the car, bro.
Y'all said it smell like weed. I need you to get a dog, please.
No, we don't have to have a dog.
Get a dog.
When it smells
There
like
has
weed,
been
brother.
no
Get out of the car.
marijuana in this
Okay.
car.
I'm gonna tell you one more time, Kenny. Get out of the car.
I can't, ma'am.
You
I'm
can't?
recording this.
Okay,
I'm
you can
telling you
record it.
right now.
That's fine. I'm recording too. I've recorded this whole interaction. Go ahead and get
But
out
I'm
of the
not
car.
doing nothing wrong.
You were on the wrong side of the road, Kenny.
I was not on the wrong side
You
of
were
the road.
driving on the wrong side of the road, brother.
I'm
Get
not
out
on the wrong
of the car.
side of the road.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
I'm not. No.
You're about to go to jail for refusing.
No, you can't do that.
You're about to go.
You can't do this, man. You can't do this. Get your hands off of me,
Change
man.
him.
Please. Please get your hands off of me,
Go ahead and get in
please.
there. Go ahead.
Please.
Get out of the car.
I'm asking
Get out
you.
Get your ass out of the car.
Get out of the car
I'm
now.
not doing nothing wrong.
Out of the car.
Now.
Please, I'm not doing nothing wrong.
Get out of the car.
Please, can I answer my
No.
phone?
No, get out of the
Please.
car.
Now.
Out of the car.
I'm not doing nothing wrong.
Get out of the
Why
car.
y'all doing this to me, man? Why are you doing this to me?
Get out of the car, man.
We got one taser point.
I'm not doing nothing wrong.
Get out of the car, Kenny.
This is not my car. I'm not doing nothing
I didn't say it was your
wrong.
car. Get out of the car, Kenny. Go ahead.
Kadib markii uu diiday gaariga in uu ka soo dego, booliska waxa uu bilaabay in uu adeegsado bastoolada korontada ah.
Taser deployed. Get out of the car, dude.
I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing.
Get that seatbelt on him. Go
Please
get the
don't do
seatbelt.
this to me.
You're about to
Please.
get it again.
Please. Please.
You're about to get it again.
Stop. Let me talk to my man. I was like,
Get it out.
I just got tased. 334 hit.
Okay.
335 shots fired. I'm hit. 334's hit. Ah! Leg! Ah! Ah! Ah!
intuu booliska isticmaalaya bastoolada korontada ah ayaa ninka eedeysanaha ah si lama filaan ah ula soo baxay bastoolad waxa uuna toogtay ninkii askariga ahaa sidoo kale waxa uu 2 xabadood kaga dhuftay lugta gabadhii booliska ahayd waxay caawinaad ka dalbatay dadka hareeraha laamiga maraya halkaas oo ninka eedeysanaha ah sidaas uu ku faktay oo uuna ku baxsaday
Ah! 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 Help! Help! I've been shot! I've been shot! Help! 330, 335, 344's down. I've been hit. Suspect fled back towards town on Severe Road. I've been shot. I need your help.
Can I do anything?
Yes, get out. I need your help.
What you need me to do?
I gotta get this on and help my partner. Help me.
Alright, hold on. It's gonna hurt.
I know.
Right now.
Oh my God.
I got shot in the car.
I'm getting her to the hospital.
He's right there. He's right there.
Come take my dude. Is it almost everything is on there?
caadada kadib booliska waxay bilaabeen raadinta ninkii dilka geystay waxay shacabka u sheegeen in qofkii keenay warbixinta ku saabsan ninkii dilka geystay abaalmarin loo siin doono $100,000 ah
Who's making his way to Smith's mortuary right now. Meanwhile, right here at the Justice Center all day long, folks have been stopping by to leave a
are joining him as he makes his final trip to Smith's mortuary here in Blount County. They have their lights going now, and it has to just be a very
baadi goob socday 5 maalmood oo lagu raadinayo ninka dilka geystay ayaa waxaa la ogaaday goobta uu ku sugan yahay ka hor inta ay booliska howlgalka bilaabeen waxay xireen dhammaan meelihii laga soo galay iyo meelihii loogu baxay xaafadaas inta ay ciidamada sida gaarka ah u tababaran isku diyaarinayeen howlgalkooda ninka dilka geystay ayaa si lama filaan ah guriga ugu soo baxay isagoo leh waan isdhiibay sidaas ayaa lagu qabtay oo xabsiga lagu geeyay